The Voyager 4300 UC series is a Bluetooth headset, enabling everyone in the office or at home to be more productive and move freely. Before you begin, download the Poly Lens desktop app by visiting poly.com/lens. This ensures you get the most from your Voyager 4300 UC series headset by allowing you to customize your device and check for firmware updates. Included in the box with the Voyager 4300 UC series is the BT700 Bluetooth USB adapter, easy connection to your computer, a travel pouch, and with certain models a charge stand. All models also include a USB cable that can be used to charge the headset. The boom can be worn on either the right or left side. Rotate the microphone boom up and over. Gently bend the boom so it is approximately 2 fingers width from the corner of your mouth. Charge the headset by either setting it in the stand or by using the USB-C cable. Once charging is complete, the LEDs turn off. Turn on your headset and plug in the Bluetooth USB adapter to your computer. You will hear
PC connected,
and the light on the USB adapter will turn solid. If you need to pair your headset to the USB adapter again, you can do this via the Poly Lens desktop app. For the best audio and user experience, we recommend that you use the USB adapter to connect to your computer and not pair direct to its own Bluetooth. To connect to your smartphone, simply slide and hold the power switch to the Bluetooth symbol until the light flashes red and blue and you hear
pairing
on your smartphone. Go to Bluetooth settings and connect to Poly Voyager 4300 series. You will hear
pairing successful.
If you need to pair your headset to a Voyager Office Space, sold separately, simply slide and hold the power switch to the Bluetooth symbol until the light flashes red and blue and you hear
pairing.
On the Voyager Office Space, press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button on the back of the base for 2 seconds until the display's panel's Bluetooth icon flashes red and blue. Pairing is successful when you hear
pairing successful.
To answer a call, tap the call button. To adjust the volume, tap the volume up or down buttons. To mute your voice during an active call, tap the mute button. To activate your smartphone's default voice assistant, press and hold the call button for 2 seconds. To pause or play audio while listening to music, tap the call button. To skip to the next track, double tap the call button. Your headset can also be used as a wired headset by simply connecting it directly to the computer via the included USB-C cable and setting the power switch to off. This can be useful if your headset's battery is out of charge or you experience audio issues due to interference from other Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices. The Bluetooth USB adapter includes LEDs that provide the following call status indications. Note that the LED status is different if you are using Microsoft Teams. Flashing red and blue indicates pairing. Solid blue indicates your headset is connected. Flashing blue indicates you are on a call. Solid red indicates mute is activated. Flashing purple indicates you are streaming media from a computer. When use of the Microsoft Teams application is detected, flashing red and blue indicates pairing. Solid purple indicates Microsoft Teams is connected. Flashing blue indicates you are on a call. Solid red indicates mute is activated. Pulsing purple indicates you have a Microsoft Teams notification. For the Microsoft Teams version, as shown by the Microsoft Teams logo on the call button, tapping this button while the headset is inactive will interact with the Microsoft Teams desktop application, bringing it to the front of the screen. You are now ready to enjoy your Voyager 4300 UC series headset. For more information, please visit poly.com.